the Golden Tie Massage for Beginners. This video shows the way to offer the most effective relaxation for a leg massage. It will help to relax leg muscles, which will contribute to full body relaxation and diminishment of stress and anxiety. This video shows how to give the best relaxation for a leg massage. This includes basic Thai massage therapy techniques showing how to massage the leg, hip. It will improve postural misalignment and reduce resulting chronic pain. It will help to relax leg muscles, which will contribute to full body relaxation and diminishment of stress and anxiety. You can follow this massage therapy to your partner before going to bed for better deep sleep. It will also help to relax and reduce the stress. Any type of massage is for relaxation, and it helps you to reduce the stress in your body. And a lot of people experience lower levels of anxiety and better moods after just a few minutes of foot massage. Learn more. For more exciting video, like, subscribe and share. Don't forget to press the bell icon to never miss a video.